For this bookmark, all you guys need is some yarn of your favorite color and we are going to make pom-pom. And I don't know what it is, you guys, pom-pom are so popular that you see them everywhere on Pinterest. So we got some on our bookmark. And also it is super easy to make, so all you guys need is your two fingers, then drop your yarn around those fingers for around 30 to 40 times, and once you are done, just secure it in the center with another piece of yarn, and after that go ahead and cut through the loop on either side and your pom-pom is ready. For this next bookmark, all you guys need is a piece of black paper. I'm taking black because moustaches are basically black, but you can play around and make a blue or a green moustache. Then fold the paper in half and draw a moustache. Cut that piece off and taking another strip, glue it on the back of the moustache and your bookmark is ready.